Trading crypto isn't just about timing, it's about information. And in today's market, there's too much of it. Price charts, news, social media sentiment, it's overwhelming. Most traders either guess or spend hours trying to catch up. Bitnun OS changes that with its AI trading assistant, a smarter way to trade, backed by real-time analysis and automated insights. Bitnun's AI scans live market data across multiple chains, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and more, analyzing price trends, volume shifts, whale movements, and volatility spikes. It then combines that with external signals like news headlines and social sentiment to give you clear, real-time recommendations on when to buy, sell, or hold. Let's look at how it detects patterns. The AI tracks formations like bull flags, head and shoulders, support/resistance flips, and breakout setups. It alerts you to opportunities early, with a probability score based on historical data. No more second-guessing the charts. The AI does the pattern work for you. Trading isn't just technical, it's emotional. Bitnun's AI monitors social platforms like X, Reddit, Discord, and news feeds for spikes in keyword activity, trending sentiment, or panic sell chatter. If Solana starts trending for the wrong reasons, you'll know first. If ETH is getting hyped before a rally, you're already positioned. Based on your preferences, the AI offers trading strategies that fit your risk tolerance and goals. Want swing trades based on momentum? Done. Prefer low-risk DCA during dips? The AI builds a strategy and adjusts it as conditions change. You stay in control, but smarter, faster, and more confident. You can also track how well the AI is performing. Every suggestion is logged with outcome data, so you see accuracy percentages, win/loss ratios, and ROI impact over time. It's like having a coach who not only gives you signals but also shows the score. The future of trading isn't guessing, it's guided. Bitnun OS brings you the clarity and confidence of AI-powered decision-making, all from the same dashboard where you already trade, manage tokens, and build your portfolio. Ready to see smarter results? Head to bitnun.org and activate your AI assistant today.